Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you for all my subscribers for all your support. It means a lot to me. And if you're new here, I just want to say I'm just an inspiring trader just like yourself, learning from a community of traders and sharing ideas. So make sure you stick around for the entire video. I'll be walking through 2 live trades I executed during Tuesday's trading session. Here's an open position I took at 9:43 with 2 contract, 100 take profit target, and 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. This was on my live account, not the sim account. Notice the P&L on the bottom is fluctuating. However, it's not showing the initial entry, profit target, nor my stop loss markers on the chart. This is something that I have to troubleshoot and check why the markers are not appearing on the chart. So I apologize for that. Needless to say, my ATM strategy is already attached to the trade, so I know what my profit targets and stop loss are, so I don't have to worry. So I'm going to fast forward this video right before my first target is hit. The second contract moves to break even +1. +1 just mean that the stop loss for the second contract moves 1 tick above the initial entry, so I would automatically be guaranteed 1 take profit target on the second contract if price goes in the opposite direction. So let me fast forward the video now. So this is where my first profit target got hit at 9:46 for a profit of $50, shown on the bottom on the realized profit column. Despite having a break even with +1, for some reason I got stopped out for a loss of 72 cents at 9:50. I will have to check my break even settings. Usually when these things happen, I will go back to the exact point on the market replay and run the same exact scenario to make sure my break even +1 settings are working properly. Or I might just increase the offset to 2 ticks. It's okay that I do this because when my first target is hit, the current price is usually beyond 1 tick offset. Here's where I entered into a second trade when all my conditions were met at 10:05 a.m. My first target hit at 10:23 for a profit of $48.78. Then you will see my stop loss move to break even +1. So I apologize again, the markers aren't showing on my chart. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the video. You'll see my stop loss move as price is moving based on the average true range, which is commonly known as the ATR. The higher the volatility, the larger the delta is the price to the ATR value. If the volatility is low, then the ATR value will be closer to current price. This is all possible with this ATM strategy that you see on the right side. I use it to manage my profit target and risk management. So if you want more information on it, just subscribe to my channel and send me an email, and I will send you a link to download the ATM strategy and invite you to the Discord group where we all share strategies, indicators, and templates and ask questions. This is where my first profit target got hit on my second trade. You'll notice that I check the market a lot, because by keeping an eye on prices, news, and trend, I can gather information I need to make smart choices about buying and selling. This can include things like identify buying opportunities when prices are low, knowing when to sell an asset when it reached overbought and oversold zones, spotting potential trend in the market that could impact my trade. As far as risk management, the market can be volatile, and monitoring it can help identify and avoid potential risks. Things like seeing sudden price drop that might indicate a larger issue, reacting to news events that could negatively impact trades, such as the jobs report and inflation news or the Federal Reserve, and adjusting my trading strategy based on changing market condition. So this is where I got stopped out on my second contract for a profit of $183. And so for today, my total profit was $280.62 on the MNQ, the micro NASDAQ. So I want to thank you again for watching my video. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button below, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.